Hey guys, this is CoolGuy99 and today we're back with another unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing this super cool gaming headset. And yeah, it's pretty cool, and it has a volume control and mic unit. Yes, it's good. It's got a removable microphone, high quality 40mm speakers. It's lightweight, ear design. You can play for hours in complete comfort. And yeah, this is pretty good for like any computer or mobile device. So let's crack it open. Okay, gotta get this tape out of the way. Okay, got one side. Forget about using tools. Just use your fingers. Try and get it out. This side. Okay. Here we go. Just need to pull the top out. Okay, here we go. And pull this box out. Oh, look at that. There's the microphone. Here is the headphones. So these are cool Turtle Beach headphones. And we also got this little thing here I gotta undo. Okay. Got that done. Now we need to crack open this microphone. So how to do this. Oh. Yeah, there it is. That's not a good way to do it because I'll ruin your headphones. They just stick in like this. It's like you have your headphones like this, and then I think you go like that. And there you go. There's the headphones, or I should say gaming headset, because it's not like your typical headphones. It's pretty cool. Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Be awesome and stay awesome. Peace.